Hey guys, Lucas from Winter Surplus, and we're going to talk about a scenario that you might find yourself in, hopefully not, but just in case. You're up in the mountains, you're driving along, hiking along, and the snow comes in, and it gets down to the negatives or below freezing, whatever it may be, and you're stuck all of a sudden. You got to pop a tire, you lose your way in the mountains because of the snow, you fall down, whatever it may be, or whatever happens, and you're stuck, maybe multiple days at a time. Something that's going to probably be on you for a winter situation is a survival blanket. Now, these are great. They're going to save your life at the end of the day because they're going to keep you warm and provide a little bit of shelter. But the main detractor on this is it's one-time use. You pull this thing out, it's going to tear after, the first time. You can kind of get it back in a ball or reuse, but they're really thin. They do their job, but they're really thin, and it's not going to last you more than that one time. So, what's the solution to that? Well, North American Rescue has these survival wraps. Now these are coated in like a polyurethane or something like that that gives them a durable exterior side and then still that shiny reflective, heat reflective material on the inside. So you can use this more than once. So I have an orange one right here, and then I have one I opened up, which still unfortunate, you can't really fold them back up, but I can ball this up now because this coating on the outside makes it a lot more durable. I can tell you this right now, that it is just phenomenally more durable. And I can get it out, pull it out of a cargo pocket, use it if need be. I can more easily build a shelter out of this thing than with the standard survival blanket because it's more durable. If I have it brushing up against stuff, it's not going to immediately just rip and tear and go. If I did this to a regular one, it's not going to really last very long. So these are just, it's a hands down improvement over survival blanket because it allows you to use this more than once. So if you're stuck in your car, if you're sleeping in your car because you're still stuck on the side of the road, waiting for somebody to help you out, rescue you, get overnight, multiple days, this rolling around a car, like everything's going to get caught. You have window catches, locks, steering wheel, gear shift, just nooks and crannies in the car itself are going to get caught on this blanket, but this helps it stay a little more intact for a long period of time. If you're laying on the ground, they put this coated side down, and it's going to help protect it from that abrasions, rips, cuts, tears, and generally just make it a longer lasting survival piece of equipment. They fold up, the same as your regular survival blanket, and you can put a bunch of these in one pocket, one bag, and you're good to go for multiple days, yes, but you're going to blow through them, and then what do? You can carry them with you trying to reuse them, but this is going to make it easier to carry less of them and reuse them, stay safer, and survive. So yeah, make sure you pick these up at VintageSurplus.com. They're awesome and good to go. And pick up some of the regular survival blankets too, because having to mix the both isn't the worst thing ever.